Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to send large files in Gmail without having to rely on Google Drive. This method is fast, convenient, and perfect for anyone who needs to share big files quickly. We'll be using a handy tool called WeTransfer, which makes sending large files easier than ever. First, open your favorite web browser and go to transfer.com. The platform offers a free account, which is great for our purposes today. If you don't have an account yet, I recommend signing up now. Just click on the sign up or register button and fill out the required details. Creating an account not only makes the process smoother, but also gives you some extra features like tracking your transfers. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start sending your files. Look for the plus sign or the upload button. It's usually right on the homepage. Click on it and select the files you want to share from your computer. WeTransfer can handle large amounts of data, making it a great alternative to Google Drive when it comes to sending heavy files. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the designated field. You can add one or multiple addresses depending on who needs the files. Double-check this information to make sure your files reach the right people. You can also add a personal message, which is a nice touch if you want to give context or include additional notes about the files you're sending. After that, click the Confirm option to make sure everything is in order. Then select the Continue button to proceed to the final steps. Here you can choose to track your file, which lets you know once the recipient has downloaded it. Finally, hit the Transfer button and your files will start uploading. The recipient will receive an email notification with a link to download the files, making the process simple and reliable. By following these steps, you now have a quick and secure way to send large files in Gmail without depending on Google Drive. Whether it's for work, school, or personal projects, WeTransfer is an excellent tool to have in your digital toolkit. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this guide helps you share your files with ease. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.